Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Wix notification for new product launch. So to set up a Wix notification for new product post engagement, it can also help you to get informed about customers instantly using email pop-ups and notification for maximum reach. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to log on to your Wix account. Then once you log on, then open your Wix website, then go to the dashboard, then click on customer management, and click on automation. Then from there, click on the create automation, then set a trigger when a new product is added, then choose an action which is to send email, then customize the email with product details and image, then click on create, then click on activate. And after that, go to the Wix editor, then click on add, then click on interactive. Then from there, select the light box which is the pop-up, then customize it with a new product alert message, then set it to appear once per visitor or on page load, then click on save and publish. Then after that, go to the Wix app market, then search for push notification which is app like one Signup, then install and follow instructions to send alerts to subscribers. Then after that, go to the dashboard, then click on marketing and SEO, then click on social post, then create a post about the new product launch, then share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, then preview your email, pop-up, and notification, then click on publish to make everything live. And that's a simple step-by-step guide to set up a Wix notification for new product launch. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Thank you.